For the past 40 years, Disney Television Animation has brought to life some of our favorite animated series, and today I'm going to take you on an exclusive behind-the-scenes tour of this incredible space in Los Angeles. Not only will I show you around the place and things you've never seen before, but we're also going to meet and draw with some of the animators, try some Phineas and Ferb themed snacks, and even go in the recording booth with the voice actors and creators of Phineas and Ferb for a ridiculously cool experience. Thanks to Disney Television Animation for having me out so I can show you everything I can, except for maybe where's Perry.
Hey everybody, I am here today at Disney Television Animation and I'm so excited because I get to show you a bit inside. I've never been here before and we're here as an invited guest to talk about the new Phineas and Ferb season. I'm so stoked they're bringing out more episodes of this, so let's go check it out together. Wandering around a little bit, I have no idea where we're going, but I think I figured it out. All right, let's do a little tour of this massive space inside this animation studio. This is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna give you a little tour. Where do I begin? So first, you can do everything like play pool while you look at the Emmy Awards. This is so cool. Let's see what they have it for. This one is actually for the Proud Family. And then there's an Annie Award. This one's for Gravity Falls. This is awesome. There's so many here. This is awesome. And then behind me looks like some entertainment. It looks like they got a little DVD, but it looks like, I don't know, actually maybe that's not, that's a PlayStation. Got a PlayStation and Xbox. There's some games in here. There's PS4. I do like that they have all these paintings up here too. I'm still finding all of these Perry the Platypuses around the place. Perry, we see you. Dun, dun, dun. But it looks like some of, I don't know if this is concept art or what, I should probably ask, but Cafe Mini, they should put that in Disneyland. These all remind me of, they've gotta be from the short, the Mickey Mouse ones. I do love that we have the roots here though, with the gummy bears. Come on. Come on, look at this. It says approved 1987. Oh, just finding a little Perry over here as well. I love this quote too. Look, dream, and enjoy, but please do not touch. As a tactile person, I do enjoy being told when I should and should not touch the artwork. I try not to. There is a wide variety of books you can check out here. They're all like really in there too. I gotta keep my voice a little quiet around here, but I love some of the stuff that they have just like showcased on the wall, like some of the artwork and everything. Like it's just so unique. And down the hall they do have like the offices and everything, but I can't show you that. So I'm just gonna show you like the main part of this space. You get a feel for what it's like to work here. They also have like a kitchenette area. Oh, it's like a full kitchen almost. No stove, but kitchenette area. You can make your coffee. You can dishwashing, rent stuff out, watch a little TV, I think. Grab some snacks, just have like a whole vibe over here. There's cubicles back there. I can't show you some of this stuff, but I want to. It's so cool. I like how they have this all set up. Gosh, this makes me emotional for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe because he's like a real bear. Plus I grew up with Tailspin. I just like loved this show so much. Like it was like a comfort show for me, you know? When I think of Disney Animation, can't believe it's been over 40 years now that they've been doing all this stuff. I think about all these shows they have represented here. The Aladdin animated series, Goof Troop, such a fan of Darkwing Duck. Like that was such my show. And like you can tell that a lot of these animators are just like, you can tell they like love it too. Like they're like fans like we are. And so it's really cool to know that like they're the ones making the future shows. Like they're the ones coming up with the ideas and adding to like, you know, the new stories, the new things that you see, because like they're the fans, they're us. They just like loved it so much they wanted to be part of it. And then they have their own popcorn machine, which is like so cool because this is why. Not only can you just like, it smells like nice popcorn, which I love popcorn smell, but also over here, we got like the traditional classic bags, as well as a bunch of seasonings. You can just like you can just make your own popcorn, make it taste really good. I mean, we got caramel corn, bacon and cheddar, chili jalapeno, cheese jalapeno. Okay, so we're gonna learn to draw two characters today. We're gonna learn to draw Phineas, and then we're also going to learn to draw Candace. And I heard drawing Candace is a little bit harder than drawing Phineas, so we're going to see how that goes. But I like that we're going to start off with Phineas if he's easier. Awesome, I'm here with one of the animators of Phineas and Ferb. Can you give us a little information about you?
Hi, yeah, my name is Tapan Gandhi, and I'm one of the character designers here at Disney TVA. I work on Phineas and Ferb and some other stuff.
How long have you been doing this for?
About 15 years now.
No way. Well, we love the show. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
I brought my friend Carly today.
Hey.
We're gonna draw
Welcome, everyone.
Phineas.
Y'all can't do, which is, I think this line's a little too big, so I'm just gonna...
Shrink mine. Shrink it. Pinch and zoom.
On him to, you know, cute little tongue. This wasn't easy for us.
Very advanced already.
A little fun fact about Phineas is seasons 1 through 4, he had 3 blocked stripes going down his shirt. And for season 5, moving forward, we added 1 more stripe, which is super important to his updated character.
This is Celeste, and she has literally designed your childhood, but we are here only to talk about Phineas and Ferb. Celeste, how long have you been an animator?
All of this century.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good to hear. And I want to know, of the Phineas and Ferb characters, which one is your favorite to draw?
The new ones?
The new ones. Okay, anything you can tell us about the new ones?
Absolutely not.
She's being secretive. Thank you so much. I appreciate
Sure,
you.
thank you.
And thanks for teaching me to draw Candace. I think I did a pretty decent job.
I think you should show it.
Okay,
Wonderful
there we
it
got
is.
it. Okay, I think I
Got
did it.
it.
I got
So
an
good.
approval. All right, so I just completed my drawing class, and well, drawing classes, because I did both Phineas and Candace. I had a really good time doing this. I thought it was so cool to meet some of the animators, and like, I don't know, it's just like so cool. I didn't think I'd be able to do something this awesome like this month, but I'm here. Here I am. There's still more to show you. I gotta go in the vocal booth and actually record with Ashley Tisdale and like a bunch of other people. Cool, so I got that coming up. But there is some Phineas and Ferb themed food. I'm gonna show you exactly what they are right now, but they are totally themed from stuff from the show. You're gonna love this. So we have Candace's grilled cheese with tomato soup. Look at that. We also have Buford's hot tub dips. That is so awesome. Submarine Sandos, yes. I think it's just the chips. Maybe these are them. Okay, I was looking at just the chips. I was like, wait a second. Slushy dog. So this one's Impossible Korean corn dog. So this one's vegan. And then they have a non-vegan or vegetarian. I can't tell if it says VG, so it could be either. I'm not sure. Doof's cheese fries. Yes. Dunkelberry hand pie, because there's one. And then also Dunkelberry hand pie. Oh, wait, they're different. So this one's got the crumble. This is gluten-free. Oh, that's dope. Okay, I want to taste test some of this stuff. Look at it. Carly, are you going to try any of this? I decided to go with the Korean vegetarian one. Is it good? Because it's impossible. I don't know. I haven't tried it yet. Let me see. Candace, your grilled cheese better live up to the hype. I keep messing up the name, the Dunkelberry hand pie. They both are called hand pies. One's like deconstructed, and the other one looks like it's like the gluten-free version of it.
The gluten-free one was good.
Okay. Y'all coming through with these snacks.
Now for the part that I've been incredibly excited for, entering the vocal recording booth to do some test vocals for Phineas and Ferb.
Everyone, this is David.
Hello, how are you guys? Nice to meet you.
Swampy.
Nice to meet you. Hi, how's it going?
Love
Thank
that
you.
shirt.
I know, I was like, I gotta rep my favorite episodes.
Yeah.
Nice.
That's great.
Are you off?
Hey, how's it going?
Yeah,
Vincent.
nice to meet you.
What we're doing here is ADR, automated dialogue replacements. Not really automated, you have to actually do it. What we're going to do is we're going to have you replace Ferb and Baljeet and Buford's lines
Not
this,
all at once.
in
We'll
this
do
scene.
them individually.
Yeah, but we'll play you the whole scene through first, so you get a feel for how the rhythm of the thing goes. The thing to try to match is the rhythms, because you want it to match up with the mouths that are there, and then we'll play it for you line by line, and then we'll play it without those lines in, and there'll be 3 beeps that lead up to your line. And then you start in right on the imaginary 4th beep. So it'd be like beep, 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 go.
We gotta get out of here!
Good thing we have an escape vehicle. It's our substitute submarine sandwich submarine.
A sub, if you will.
Perfect.
Perfect.
That one was really good.
Perfect.
Nobody packed any snacks.
We can't get in the escape pod?
Well, we can't get in the escape pod, but maybe we can still use it. Isabella, swing around to starboard.
Oh, that was right. Okay. That's your scream. Got it.
We gotta get out of here!
Good thing we have an escape vehicle. It's our substitute submarine sandwich submarine.
A sub, if you will.
We just have to open this hatch and we'll be home free.
Ha! There is no handle. Why are there bite marks? Nobody packed any snacks.
Can't get in the escape pod?
Well, we can't get in the escape pod, but maybe we can still use it. Isabella, swing around to starboard.
And then we talked a little bit about Disneyland and posed for a picture. Yeah, this is my life. I almost can't believe it.
So one of the things I absolutely love about it here is that you can feel like this is a creative hub, like a center of creativity. Things here are inviting you to really step into something that would spark your imagination, and not necessarily in a direct way, but maybe even just like a book you might want to read, or a piece of art you might want to check out, or even just kind of like a blank, pretty space to sit and hang out with, like just a clean slate to kind of make your mind come up with its own creative stuff. I don't know. For me, as a person who likes to create stuff, this works. Like, this is getting the natural wood elements, getting pieces of art sprinkled throughout, seeing pops of color, seeing characters I absolutely love. This all makes me want to aspire to do more things, and I love being in spaces like this. Plus, there's a little industrial feel, so I feel like that also kind of makes you feel like it's a workshop, like it's some place you can come and just start your own thing, build something from scratch, rebuild something, add to it, stick something on it, make it pop, make it happen, make it art, and stick it on the wall for the world to see.
I had an incredible time showing you around. This is a private space, so no public tours are really available, so I'm just glad I could show you. Comment below your favorite Disney television animation show. Besides Phineas and Ferb, I think mine is Darkwing Duck. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and think about subscribing if you want to see more behind the scenes at places like Disney, Pixar, and more. I'm David Vaughn, and check out my other behind the scenes videos.